Hey and welcome to Alpha One. Yes, yesterday I think I did 2 trades using Alpha One iBot, and I'm so amazed. And I still need to say I'm so proud of having my own robot in Binbot Pro. As you see, typically you can have 10 robots here. Using my link, and only by using my link, you can have 11 robots. And the one in top, that's the one I have made. You can use that robot as much you want, will be there forever as long as you use my link. Also, by using my link, you have the option, because when you log in after you made the registration and everything, when you choose my robot in the top, you only need to pay minimum $100 compared with $250 using a normal link. So if you want to deposit a less amount to start using Binbot Pro, using my robot, you only need $100, but like I said, that's only if you use my link. If you use a regular link, you will not have my robot, and you need to deposit $250 minimum deposit. Also, as always, below the video you will find a promo code. Make sure you use that promo code because you get 200% on your first deposit. If you for some reason have account with Binbot Pro from before, not to worry, just make a new account with a new email, use my link, then you can have my robot, and you need only to deposit $100. So, something to think about. Up there right now, you will see a link that you can just push, and you can sign up and use the robot today with only $100 deposited, all this good stuff. So, now let's see how the robot will do today. I'm sure you will be amazed at how good this robot is. So, let's start up the robot and see how much money you make in this video. Did you see that entry? We did enter the market on a top. We did put a put trade and we are in the money all the way till we did catch it. So $954 in matter of 7 minutes using my robot. So if this is type of trades you want to see a robot do for you, get my robot today. You find link below the video. So with that, have a perfect day.